He's gonna forget to mute it. He's going to forget to unmute
Get
us. That's
headphones
what's
on. Hey folks, how you guys doing? This is Alex with the Linux Tube, and we got Jesse here, and we got our guest star Josh here. After having a wonderful game of 080 last night, who you killed me in last night, I still let you on my show today, which I shouldn't have. But hey, I don't hold grudges, man. Either way, man. How you guys doing out there? Hope you guys could hear us. Is audio and video okay? Somebody confirm.
Except for me, I accidentally bled some of your audio back because I was playing the stream back, but otherwise we're good.
Awesome.
Why would you do that?
Really?
Oh, just to see if you could pick it out and complain about our audio while you're actually here with us.
Well, either way, guys, man, it's good to have you, Josh. I know it's been a while since, I asked you to come on the show, and you gracefully said yes. And, I'm just grateful that you're here. I'm grateful to call you a Linux family friend. So it's awesome. By the way, we're up to almost 3,200 subscribers. So thanks for all the channel love going on.
Make it happen during the stream, guys.
Oh, you need to stop the window capture and reopen it because Jesse and I are frozen.
Stop the window capture.
Yeah, for whatever reason, we are frozen. Look at the mischievous scheming look you've got, and I've got resting bitch face.
Yeah, that's actually a bug with the Hyperland desktop portal right now. So every time you transition away from this scene and come back to it, you're pretty much going to have to do that.
All right, Jesse should be okay.
Yep.
And then now I got to do you.
So every transition for the scene, this is going to break?
Yeah.
Pretty much. So I'm not transitioning no more.
Don't do it. Nobody do it.
Oh, not that one.
Stay in
That's
place.
the one. All right, now you guys. Now there's both of you guys. Holy crap!
Hold on.
Don't you just love this?
I'm looking. I'm not there. Go. Discord is Discord is there. Wait a minute.
No, you're good. I just fixed it.
Josh is
move.
in my box and his own.
Yeah, Josh moved. Now Josh is not moving.
What the?
God, this is horrible.
This is why I don't use the Hyperland portal.
There you go, Josh. Now we should be all fucking squared away.
This is why I don't use the Hyperland portal, and I just stick to using the WLR portal because at least the WLR portal is using what's stable.
Man. Oh, Jesus. Well, there we go. At least
Zany's gonna roll up and execute us for shit talking on Hyperland.
Well, that is aggravating as hell. So every time I transition, it freezes the things, and I have to redo that.
Yeah, it's gonna freeze because the window capture portal itself is actually very buggy because it's only got 2 people working on it really, and and it's super spare time because they're working on other protocols right now. Global application restoration. So if your compositor crashes, you don't lose your applications and they stay where they were.
Gotcha.
And stuff like that. So it's a bit of a low priority thing because they blanket say that nobody's supposed to be using this right now, but Hyperland is using it anyway. Got
you. So then why wouldn't they just incorporate the WL roots one over? You know what I'm saying?
Just because the WL roots one doesn't support the window capture.
Oh man.
Okay. Wow. So anyhow, I was gonna say, I've been actually mildly surprised with Hyperland. It's even though it's not 100% ready, as we could honestly, you just saw. You know what I mean? You should be able to seamlessly do that. But the reality of it is it's come along so fast, so well, that right now you can actually use it pretty decently. I'm actually enjoying it. The flow's actually really, really nice on the actual Hyperland compositor, the Hyperland window manager. And it's actually, when you can customize it, make it look beautiful. I'm using Zany's dot files, and he's got it pretty nicely done. Very nicely done and set up for you right out of the box. But honestly, I'm really surprised at how smooth everything's working on it.
What hardware are you on right now with that?
I am on AMD everything.
That's what I thought.
But I mean, it's legit smooth. And I think Josh is on Intel Arc, right?
Because I've got the box next to me today.
and you had no issues with it. In fact, it's probably one of the best supported cards out there right now, right?
It is so well supported that I don't even have to install a driver.
Are you serious? No drivers at all?
No, because all my drivers are natively in the kernel. Why would I need to install a driver?
There you go.
Correct.
It's already there.
Yeah.
Lighted, I do need to install the Linux firmware package to get like video acceleration working properly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But for like basic display output, don't need any proprietary software whatsoever.
Nice. And it works well with Wayland. It plays fine. There's no issues, right?
Yeah. In fact, it works better on Wayland than it does X11 because right now I'm using OpenMandriva's stable distribution, which is using X11 and hard disables the Wayland session. So even though like my camera's looking fine for you guys and everything, every 5 seconds my screen will actually hard lock for about 2 seconds.
No, thank you.
That's crazy. That's
yeah. So but everything else on the system works, just not the graphical display.
Wow.
Not like you need one of those.
No, totally don't need it.
Just SSH in and use it remotely.
Now, what I need to do is I just need to like write the desktop file to launch KD Plasma in Wayland, and it'll probably just work fine.
Wow,
that's cool. How expensive are those cards? I haven't looked at them, so I don't know.
They're cheap.
Are they really?
They're cheap. Yeah, Lighted, you're not going to get like the same performance as like the flagship Nvidia or AMD cards. You're not going to get that. Instead, they're more competitive towards like the middle of the Nvidia and AMD product stack, and they're priced appropriately as well.
And so you've been streaming on it. What's the performance like from a streaming perspective?
Yeah,
I have been streaming so if you guys look at my channel, every single one of the streams that I've done basically this year has been powered by the Intel Arc GPU. And I've been streaming in H.264 because OBS still doesn't support like the hardware AV1 encoder. OBS itself doesn't. So if I'm going to be streaming AV1, I need to like pull out the black magic that is FFmpeg scripting. But for the most part, streaming H.264 not a problem whatsoever.
65 with HEVC.
Yeah, I can do that too.
Well, but natively supports it. I'm surprised you don't.
Well, the main reason I don't is because I actually